In today's video, we're going to look at Bitly and how to shorten links in 2021. So you would have seen these bit.ly links all over the internet, and maybe you've wondered what they are. Or maybe you're an affiliate and you want to mask your affiliate links because there's some places you can't post those ugly long links. Or maybe you just want to shorten your link because those ugly long links, people know they're affiliate links and they're less likely to click on them. Some people have a view that if they click on an affiliate link, they're going to be paying more, which is not the truth. So we have Bitly. Here we are over at Bitly. Now, Bitly is a URL, as it says here, a URL shortener built with powerful tools to help you grow and protect your brand. Now, you can sign up for Bitly for free. You can actually use Bitly without even registering. Now, why I would suggest that you sign up for Bitly, because in a moment I'll show you, you can actually track your links. You can see how many people have clicked on your link, what countries they've come from, what traffic has, what traffic's driven people to the link. So it's really, with the free version, you can use up to 1,000 links, and that's a lot of links. So, and then even later, if you want to purchase it, it's not that expensive. And you can see some of these are some of the companies that use it. So it's more than just a cheap little tool. So as I said, you can track your links. It's really simple to use. I'm already signed in. So let's say we get this ugly long affiliate link. All right, I'm just over at ClickBank. I just clicked on any particular product. So here, this is our hop link, is what they call it in ClickBank. It can be called different things in different platforms. So here is our affiliate link. Really ugly looking, long, not the sort of thing that would entice people to click on. Leave alone buy anything, because people buy from people they know, like and trust. That just doesn't look, it could be tracking code, who knows, it just doesn't look right. So look, here we are, I'm logged in. Now, as I said, you can actually go here to create a link, and all you do is you put that big long ugly link, it goes in here. And then you can also, I didn't copy it. So it goes in there, and then what happens is it creates a nice short link like this. And people are used to that, and people will click on those links. And the other thing is, if it's an affiliate link, which a lot of affiliates use this for this reason, it masks your affiliate link. So when you come back to it and you log in, you can see, first thing you see is all the links you've got. Along here, the number of clicks is a chart. You can actually click on that and get a pictorial overview of how many clicks, what day, where they came from, the countries. So it's really good information. And as I say, it's for free. But the biggest advantage is you can shorten, as they call it, a URL shortener. You can shorten your links. So when you're creating this link here, you can actually choose. Let's just click on that. It'll take me there. And you can see when you're actually creating that, if it's available, you can, let's say I wanted to call that Graeme, or Graeme's Tops, or Top Graeme or something. When you're in here, you can actually, you can change after the backspace sometimes, only if it's available and not taken. So, it allows you to customize it, and it might even be the name of a product. If you get in early and it's available, you can get it. Obviously, they can only have one backspace Graeme 1 after the Bitly. So if it's available, you can get it. But it's a really powerful thing, a powerful piece of software to give you basic tracking. Once you get more advanced, you might want to purchase this, or if you're really wanting for tracking, look at tracking software. But the tracking that it makes available is sufficient for what I do, and why the main reason I use Bitly is to shorten my links. I suppose the only downside to this, to Bitly, is that, if for some reason you change the original link address, or an affiliate product is no longer available and you wanted to redirect it somewhere else, you can actually do redirects in the paid version, but you cannot edit here. You can click on here, but you cannot edit where it actually goes to. So you just need to go and change it all out. And what you can add is the backspace there to make it unique, but you can't change the actual link, like the original link is what I'm saying. It will still go to that link. So if something changes, that's the only disadvantage. You're going to have to go back and just create a new link with the new affiliate link. Now, if you got value from this and you want to get notified of my future videos, I make videos around affiliate marketing, making money online, and a lot of tutorials on this channel. If you want to be notified when I post these videos, just click on the subscribe button, the red subscribe button below, and hit the bell icon, and that'll get you notified, and you'll be alerted as soon as I post a new video. All right, if you've got questions or comments, also just leave them in the comment section below, and there's a couple of links in the description below to some training. Great. Now, if you want to get access to a free landing page software, just click in the link in the top left hand side and you'll get access to this. Now, landing page software, if you've ever looked around, starts at $97 a month and can go up to $300, $400, $500 a month. You can actually build 3 full sites, and this one has a built-in autoresponder, so it's all in one. So click on the link in the top left, and when you go to watch the video, it'll tell you how you can get access to the free version of it, and the link for the free version will be in the description of that video. Okay, so that's Bitly and how you can shorten URLs in 2021.